Hello, Dutch knife collector here. Today I want to show you a knife that I've sold in the past but has returned to the old nest. It is a very nice knife. I'm very glad to have it back. It is a piece from Custom Knife Factory. Custom Knife Factory, well known from Russia. Custom Knife Factory let the parts be produced in China for a great amount of parts. They are produced in China, but then all is shipped to Russia, and there they get the final treatment and they will be assembled. Very much hand labor, but on this way they can save on production costs. That means that knives from Custom Knife Factory are relatively low in price compared to knives in the same quality category. This is the Garza. It's a limited run of 120 pieces. It is a very gorgeous, subtle knife, folding knife. I will give you a close-up. It's a full titanium handle, very well milled, anodized, full flat ground blade of S35VN steel. It's a frame lock, very nice 3D milled titanium pocket clip. It's a half open design with a titanium backspacer, and then the blade is relatively thick for such a knife, but with a very nice fine point. A nice upswept blade shape. Great fit and finish. Well centered, phenomenal action. Runs on bearings. Drops freely. It's a thumb stud deployment only. The thumb stud can be removed to the other side. This way it's set up for right hand use only. The pocket clip is one position only, right hand carry. It's a very nice greyish bluish anodization, and on the blanks you can see very nice grind lines, very nice hardware. Pocket clip is very functional, very well done. It has a lanyard hole, but hey, who cares? I not for sure. All is very nice, chamfered, round off, no sharp corners or whatsoever. I'm very glad to have this knife back. And you can see the limited Let me compare this knife to a knife that has very much similarities, the Reate de Hils. About the same length. About the same length. The blade of the Garza is maybe 2 millimeters longer, but very similar in shape, design. The Reate is heavier, has thicker slabs of titanium, and the Reate is a flipper, of course. The Reate is very, very beautiful, but the custom knife factory Garza has some more refinement, more subtle, I don't know how to pronounce it. Fit and finish on both is very well, but I think the Garza is just a little more refined. Okay, some specs. Overall length 21.5 centimeter or 8.5 inch. Blade length 9.5 centimeter or 3.7 inch. Phenomenal action. Very nice. Lockup is very good, it's about 40%. Nice thick stock pin. It's a very capable knife, but it has also gentleman looks. This knife you could easily put in your pockets on a Sunday when you go to church or to a party or whatsoever, or to the office. Okay, the Garza. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and comment. Bye bye.